I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pesto pasta. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need plenty of fresh basil, some pine nuts, a few cloves of garlic, and good quality Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a high-quality olive oil. It truly makes a difference in the final taste. Finally, pick your favorite pasta shape, about 12 ounces, to complete this delicious meal. Get ready for some amazing flavors. Now, let's create that vibrant, fresh pesto. In a food processor, combine your fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, and grated Parmesan cheese. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are roughly chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of high-quality olive oil until the pesto reaches your desired consistency. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. It's time to cook our pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your 12 ounces of pasta. Cook it according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is key for creating a silky sauce when you toss the hot pasta with your freshly made pesto. Your homemade pesto pasta is now ready to be enjoyed. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. Serve it immediately to savor the warm pasta and aromatic pesto at its best. This simple yet incredibly satisfying dish is perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.